Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I think just yesterday I made this video on how to draw this, and this is pretty cool. Then while that video, and I just started, I kept the file up and I drew this and this one. This one's pretty cool. I'm going to show you how to draw this one, but it would really be the same on both of them, except for just using colors. So if you didn't watch the first video, we just made a 1x1 square. I am going to hit P and put it in the center of the page, and I'm going to go ahead and rotate it 45 degrees. Then I'm going to take some 2-point lines and hit P, going opposite direction, and I'm going to use different colors. I'm going to get the Smart Fill tool, and I'm going to use yellow, blue, just your normal colors. You could play around with it, do whatever you want. And then I am going to actually nudge these out of the way, because that way I don't have to get rid of the lines. I might want to use it later so I can nudge them out of the way. Now, you can do a lot of stuff with this, but if you'll select one of them and go to the interactive fill tool and just go from the inside or outside in, and then put black in the middle, and then adjust it where you don't want too much black. Now, the attribute eyedropper won't work in this case because they're different colors and different angles. So then you have to select the green one, get to the interactive fill tool, kind of go from the same place. You might have to adjust each individual one because you don't want too much darkness. Then select the red. If you do not pre-select the one you're going to, it'll go back. So then look, now this time we're gonna do it. I'm gonna go get the interactive fill tool. It's gonna put it on that one. So go ahead and select the blue, use the interactive fill tool, and we're gonna put just a little bit of black. And you could use white, too much darkness. Now, group this together, Control G. I am gonna go ahead and rotate it 45 degrees so I can duplicate it. I made my duplication less this time. So we're going to Control D and make a duplicate. All I'm doing is hitting D and then moving over the arrow key, down arrow key, and then hitting D again. Just keeping my finger on Control D. Group this together, Control G, and then rotate it. You don't really have to rotate it 45 degrees, but I think it's actually better. I'm going to go ahead and delete that. Hit P, put it in the center of the page, get your ellipse, and you do not have to use an ellipse. You can use a square or any shape you want. That is selected. That's the main part on the lens. And then go down to fisheye, and you're going to get that effect. Let's actually bump this up a little bit on this one. And we'll see what it looks like. That is pretty cool. Take away the outline by right-clicking. And the white lines are separating the block, and they're kind of going off into infinity. When I did this one, I just did it with all black. And if you look straight on, you can kind of see the black. But over here, it's almost like it's just anticipated into nothing. And I never thought about putting some on top of each other. If you keep doing that and then make another one and move it there, and then, make your order, you could make a pretty neat looking effect. Anyway, just playing around. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.